Currently going on right now, Troy baseball is in Starkville, Mississippi in a midweek matchup against Mississippi State, who are currently ranked number 3 in the nation by Baseball America. The Trojans lost their first series to the Mercer Bears 2-1, while the Bulldogs swept Hofstra in their first series of the season. However, not all hope is lost for Troy. Last year, the Trojans took down the then 15th ranked Bulldogs for the first time ever, 6-5. The current score of that game is 7-1 Mississippi State in the bottom of the 4th and is currently airing on SEC Network Plus. Moving to the court, Troy women's tennis is looking to keep their season rolling against the Owls of Kennesaw State. Troy sits at 4-2 on the season and 2-0 at home. The Trojans have allowed their opponents to win 1 or less games in 3 of their 4 victories of the year, including 2 shutouts, both of which came at home. The Owls come into this game 0-3 with losses to Indiana, DePaul, and Appalachian State. The first serve is set for 1 p.m. tomorrow. Live stats will be provided on TroyTrojans.com.